What if I told you by applying a few simple hacks, you can triple how much you save each month? Well, in today's video, we are going to share with you 7 psychological money-saving tricks that will help you save hundreds of extra dollars every month. Now, word on the street is that if you hit that subscribe button now, you will save a baby monkey. 1. Avoid social media. It seems like every time we pass on Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media platform, we are bombarded by ads. From exercising garments to the hottest new toy, we are being exposed to simply as a lot of subsidized content materials as the photographs and films we want to see. Besides being horrible for our productivity, these apps are causing us to spend extensively extra money, which increase our risk at saving money. 2. Use automatic deductions. For the folks who have no control over their spending, automatic deductions will work wonders. If you're unfamiliar with automatic deductions, they work in the following way. Whenever you get paid, a portion of your pay is withheld from going into your main bank account. Generally, people will set up a savings account that the money is routed into, which in a few cases isn't always on hand to permit the money to continue to compound. 3. Imagine your future rich. Bet you didn't think it was such a big deal to spend those $5 on a Starbucks coffee. But guess what? It is because that $5 can add up to over $100 by the time you retire. You might start to think differently. Trick number 2 on how to save is visualizing a future wealthy you. Every time you think about spending some money on something, big or small, ask yourself, will this expenditure move me closer or further away from achieving my future rich life? 4. Sleep on big purchases. Sleep enables you to save money in 2 different ways. Without good sleep, your decision-making skills fade, and the possibility of hasty or financial impulsive behavior appears. So that car you would not normally think about buying may end up in your driveway. Second, sleep gives time to think about big purchases. Take the night to sleep on big-ticket items and let your unconscious sort through information related to the purchase. Then process it while you're dreaming. 5. Use only cash. The best money-saving tip would be always spend cash. Whether you're buying groceries or a new phone, it is paying in cash that makes us note some monetary effects of our actions. This is because unlike when you're using a credit or debit card with almost endless potential to spend, while you're paying physically, you see depletion in your wallet. Further, if you don't want to break a big $50 or $100 bill and you have to lug loads of change around, you may just avoid purchases altogether. It lets you save more money than you ever could when relying on credit cards. 6. Calculate the cost in hours. The next to last tip is to turn the price tag of your purchases into hours worked at your job. For instance, if you're working hourly at your job and making $20 an hour, and that new $100 t-shirt happens to be equivalent to 5 hours of your time, then ask yourself if that shirt is really worth 5 hours of slaving away at my job. When you start to view your purchases in this light, that you will know the amount of personal investment it was during this money, making you think twice before spending frivolously and ultimately allowing you to save more money over time. 7. Create more income. The truth is, how much you can save is limited by how much you can earn. If you are making minimum wage right now, then saving a lot of money is next to impossible. But there is only one way to improve this situation: by finding ways to increase your income. Some people do this with a part-time job or by doing freelance work. Others boost their skills to be able to earn a higher hourly wage. Well, with the above saving tips, you will have so much more than you will ever know what to do with. Thanks for watching. If you want to go from the life you hope to into the life you deserve, then hit the subscribe button now. See you in the next one.